Hey guys, I'm Heather Ferris here today with the 10 tips for driving more traffic during the holiday season using Pinterest. If you don't know me, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I help content creators increase their sales, their revenue overall year after year and drive more traffic to their websites as well as their videos using Pinterest. And if you are in the mood or in the need for learning Pinterest things, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button below and join me for weekly videos. So let's dive right in. How do you drive more traffic and more sales during the holiday season using Pinterest? Well, before we get started, I want to lay a few statistics on you. There are over 300 million people using Pinterest now, and 62 million have reported using Pinterest for holiday content searches. They are searching for gift guides, they're searching for food, decor, all sorts of holiday related things. 62 million people. 67% of Pinterest users have reported, 67 people have reported finding a new brand after using Pinterest. And, try it again. 67 people have, and 1 in 2 people using Pinterest have reported making a purchase after seeing a promoted pin. That's huge, guys. We're going to talk about promoted pins. Lastly, 45% of pinners actually spend more money on gifts than non-pinners. So let that sink in for a second. 45% spend more money on gifts. What if your item could be on their list? So let's dive into my top 10 tips. The first thing that you're going to do is start pinning 30 to 90 days in advance of a major trend. A major trend are things like Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving. These are in no particular order, obviously. July 4th, things like that. What are the worldwide trends that happen each year consistently that you can plan for 30 to 90 days in advance? Pinterest says 30 to 45 days. I like to go more like 90 days because pinners are planners and you want to be in on that trend. The second tip, and again, all 10 tips are in no particular order. Take them as you please. But the second tip is to make gift guides. If you're a blogger especially, I mean, even if you're a YouTuber, you could make gift guides using a video like this, like the top 10 gifts to buy a YouTuber this year. But to make gift guides and then publish that content on Pinterest, again, 30 to 90 days in advance so your content gets seen. People on Pinterest, since they are searching for gifts during holiday seasons, they like to see lists of things, collections of things. Think of it in the same way that you would a Pinterest board. It's a collection of things. A gift guide is going to help them with that. And a gift guide can be your items or a collection of yours and other people's. The third tip is to actually email your seasonal boards to your email list. And if you don't have an email list, you need to start one now. I would suggest using Convertkit. They are super affordable, super easy to use, and they have lots of tutorials to teach you exactly how to use their platform. So email your seasonal boards and pins to your email list. This will get them actually looking at your stuff and planning. The fourth tip is to update your old content with new photos, new affiliate links, basically just freshen them up for this year. So update your old posts, create some new imagery, get some new affiliate links in there, and then start getting those out 30 to 90 days. Tip number 5 is to create seasonally themed images. So make sure that you're using colors that coincide with Christmas, reds and greens, and you're using like pine trees and just real pretty, like seasonal looking images, and use those seasonal keywords as well. So Christmas gifts for mom or whatever it is that your post is about or your video is about. Make sure you're using those seasonally themed keywords as well. Make sure you're pinning to your tribes. If you're not using Tailwind, you can actually get 4 months free with my link in the description. I'll put it down below of Tailwind. Make sure you're using Tailwind to actually promote your content. Pinners, especially other pinners that we're collaborating with, are more likely to repin your content from tribes than they are group boards. So make sure you are getting in on those tribes and pinning to those in advance. 7 is to promote your pins. Have you ever promoted a pin on Pinterest? I bet you haven't. And if you have, you still might be a little confused. It's okay. I actually have a checklist that I will give you. It's in the description of the video as well for getting started with promoting pins on Pinterest. And it's like the basic things that you need to do to make sure that you are in the right place to promote your pins on Pinterest. So think about this from, you know, you go to Target or you go to Walmart and you see Halloween candy out in August. That's not an accident. Those companies know that people are planning and thinking ahead for those holidays, and they are putting their content out in advance. The same thing with promoted pins, or even just organically promoting your content 30 to 90 days in advance. Go ahead and start those advertising campaigns in advance so people have the time to see them, and Pinterest actually has the time to optimize your campaigns for performance. Number 8, affiliate links. Don't be afraid to use affiliate links on Pinterest. Just make sure that you're doing it the right way and you're disclosing in your description that it's an affiliate link. But if you have places that you're an affiliate for, like Target, go through their affiliate link login and look in the portal and pull imagery and pin it with your affiliate links to your boards. So if you have a gift guide board, specifically like Gifts for Moms board, maybe she wants an Instant Pot, you can pin that from Target. Maybe she wants a new ottoman, you can pin that from Target. Like, think about the affiliate products that you can pin to that board that are specific to that person, and make sure you are not only including affiliate links, but your native content as well that's not just affiliate links, and make it a really nice cohesive board. So pin your affiliate links to Pinterest, just make sure you disclose. Number 9 is to do a holiday roundup. So much like doing a gift guide post, do a roundup post. Do you have 5 different gift guides that you can include in one roundup post so people can see all the different options in one place? Make a roundup post out of it. You know, gifts for mom, gift for dad, gifts for kids, Christmas books for kids. Like, make a roundup post of all of those seasonally themed things. And if you don't have enough content of your own, then reach out to some other bloggers that have content that align with yours and ask their permission to include it in your roundup. Chances are they will help you promote it as well. Number 10, this is more of an advanced strategy, but create a holiday funnel. So if you have an email list, you can create an opt-in that's holiday related and create a funnel. So a funnel, think about the free ways that people are coming in at the top of the funnel. So those are your blog posts, your videos, all of those things. You ask them for their email list and you give them something in exchange. So the first thing that just popped into my mind is planning for a Christmas party. Maybe you have a checklist of all the things someone needs to do to have a really successful Christmas party. And then you also have an ebook or something that you can sell them on the back end that's related to that checklist. So your funnel would look like an opt-in, and then they go to a thank you page. From the thank you page, they're upsold to your ebook for $9 or something cheap. And then they go into your email sequence, and you now kind of own them because you own your email list, but you don't own your social media platforms. So create a holiday funnel of sorts, give them a seasonally themed opt-in, sell them your seasonally themed planner, ebook, whatever it is. Maybe you have holiday labels that you can sell, and then now they're in your email system and you can nurture them and upsell them to your higher price things later. So that's it. Just to recap our 10 ways to make the most of your holiday traffic. 1, start pinning 30 to 90 days in advance. 2, make gift guides. 3, email your list, your boards that are on Pinterest, your seasonally themed boards. 4, update your old holiday content. 5, create seasonally themed images with seasonally themed keywords. 6, make sure you're pinning to tribes. 7, use promoted pins. 8, pin affiliate links. 9, create a holiday roundup. And finally, number 10, right as the wind tries to blow me away, create a holiday funnel. It's easy, guys. Just think about this stuff in advance. If you need help getting started, let me know. Leave me a comment or shoot me an email. And by the way, I have a Pinterest strategy checklist that you can download right now and get started strategically on Pinterest and make the most of that traffic so you can increase your sales, increase your traffic, and make everybody happy. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you next week.